Hi, Maggie. Nona's going on what's it called?
A jet ski.
A jet ski. I'm going on a wave runner ride now. Come on, we're going in the lake. Come on to the lake. Isn't it beautiful? Just leave it running.
Okay.
We're gonna make a big movie for Maggie. This is not grass.
No, it's not. It's our green weeds.
Huh. Isn't it beautiful, Maggie? Where's the ducks? Do you have any ducks?
We don't have any ducks up here now.
There's ducks, look. See
yeah.
the ducks, Maggie?
Let's see if we can walk over here and see the ducks. They'll probably fly away when I get over here. Can't really see them in the camera. Oh, they're waddling away. There, now you can see them a little bit. They're waddling away because I'm getting too close. Okay, let's get Nona over here. You want to see our pet lion?
This is a lion, Maggie, look.
This is Sandy and Jay's pet lion.
Give me 5, lion. Give me 5, lion. Did you see that lion? I could jump in this water. Maybe.
Maybe we can get in later.
So why is this a grape?
Because when the water splashes, it protects. If we had wood here, there's more likely for the wood to pop loose. Whereas when you've got that flow through thing, it keeps it from. Keeps your dock from wearing out at the end.
Okay. I'm better today.
Yeah.
Look at these wave runners, Maggie. Whoa. Which one am I going on?
You're going on the red one.
Wow, look at this, Maggie. Look at this. Woo.
Let me put these other phones
Nona's
down.
going on this thing. Look at this thing I'm going on. See? Nona's going to ride one like that. See that guy? Going fast out there? I'm going to go on that. Look at this thing. Uh-huh. Yeah, Nona's going to ride that. There's the blue one. I think the blue one's getting fixed. There's the boat we went in last night. This is fun on the lake. When you come here with Sophia, we can go on this vacation. Now Nona has to put on the life vest. You have to wear the life vest. See? Put this on. Okay, see? Nona has to put this on. Oh my God. Is there only one?
You're cockeyed.
Okay,
There you go.
yeah. I don't think so.
We can loosen it up some.
Oh, that's too tight.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna turn this off for a minute.
Which
so I can-
one?